Marble nations have set aside their differences and gathered to play games. Hello, I'm John Ball from Marbles for Autism, and welcome to the 2019 World Marble Tournament host selection. We have 3 finalists today, TeamMarine, the Snowglobes, and Team Snowflakes, and they have all worked very hard to prepare their nations to be great, as they are the 3 finalists. And here's TeamMarine's application. They have a very small country. It's an island nation, and they have the largest stadium of them all, but they have a very high average temperature in the winter, so that will affect them greatly. Now here's the Snowglobes application. They're the second largest country in the marble world, but they have two stadiums, but they're both very small. That will affect them, and that may not be something they can overcome, because you need large stadiums to create revenue. Now here's Team Snowflakes. They are the largest country in the marble world, but they also have a very small stadium, but they have a very low average temperature in the winter, so that will definitely be a big asset as the teams prepare to march in. Here we have Team Toothpaste. Hashtag will brush you up. Clean, toothpaste, and kitty. Next are the Snowflakes. GoOnAndSnowOn. They have Snowing, Blizzard, Snowflakes, Snowball, and Sleet. Now TeamMarine is up on the plate. The crowd's going nuts for them. They have Salty, Seaweeds, Lobster, Little Pearl, and Currents. Now Team Unity. The famed Team Unity is coming up. They got Blue, Noir, Green, Rojo, and Yellow. Oh, and the Unity fans very excited for them. Now the Morning Swirls. Hashtag Swirl Together. They have Coffee Swirl, Fizzy Swirl, Cake Swirl, Cream Swirl, and Donut Swirl. Now the Bumblebees. Hashtag GoStingers. They have Stinger, Bee, Wasp, Buzz, and Hornets. Now GoSodaPop. GoSodaPop. And they have Soda, Bottle, Creamsicle, Popscotch, and Cola. Now the hosts. Team Snowglobes. They have Icy, Glorby, Stormy, Glorby, and Snowglobe. Now here are all the teams lined up. We got Snowglobes, SodaPop, Bumblebees, Morning Swirls, Team Unity, TeamMarine, Snowflakes, and Toothpaste. Now stepping up to the podium is World Marble Tournament Commissioner Jacques.
Hello, this is Jacques speaking for the committee. The committee has chosen. It was not an easy decision, but we have decided on well, let's back up a little bit. We'll tell you why we have chosen. We have chosen a country that we feel can come together. They have shown a great willingness to do whatever it takes, no matter how hard the obstacles, to make this a great Winter Games. We have chosen TeamMarine. You are probably wondering why we chose the smallest of marble nations, especially when it is an island. What did it was their willingness to work hard, and what put them over the edge was the fact that they were willing to name one of their marbles Lobster. Thank you for coming today, and I have confidence in TeamMarine that they will put on a good show.
And so there you have it. TeamMarine will host the 2019 Marble World Tournament. Please stay tuned, though, for an exclusive word from the creator of Marbles for Autism. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching the 2019 World Marble Tournament host selection. Those 8 teams that you saw are actually the 8 teams that initially applied. There will be more teams, but I don't know them yet, and that's where I need your guys' help. I will be holding a little challenge that I will give a shout out to the person who gives me the best name. I will also use a lot of your names because I don't have any yet. And so thank you for watching. Please share this video and please consider subscribing. Goodbye.